Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. This is my first ever video, and my videos mostly are going to be about slime. So yeah, let's get started. This video is going to be about showing you all my slimes. Also, other things on my channel, I might do some doll videos and some more videos. So yeah, this is my first slime. I'm going to do ASMR with this one because I think this is the best one to do ASMR on. And also do a swirl. So yeah, that's my first slime. Put it back in the container. The next slime is a 2-ingredient slime, actually. I did not see this anywhere. I actually made this up. I don't know if other YouTubers or something have done it before, but I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this and how to make it. So yeah, that video will come soon. If you want to see all my videos and get the notifications, you should hit the subscribe button and the notifications. And if you want to see some more videos and like this video. So yeah, I'm going to try to get this video to 30 likes. So if you guys can get this video to 30 likes, I can do much more, and I will definitely do that tutorial if you can get this video to 30 likes. So yeah. Sorry if you hear background noises, that's just my family. The next slime I have is also a 2-ingredient slime. The same recipe as the last one. It's just orange and this is actually really good slime. So yeah, there's that slime. I forgot to tell you guys the names though of the slimes so far, so let me do that real quick. One sec, guys. I'm trying to get it back in the container. Alright. Oh, sorry. So this is called a orange creamsicle, the one I just showed you. This is called cherry, and that blue one right there is called sea. So this is the next slime. This is my favorite slime ever. It's an actual butter slime. It's not the 2-ingredient kind. So yeah. It's so nice, and I don't know. I just love it, and it does the best.